Okay, my people, now welcome back. Okay, we're not there before, so we'll just come. No start say Yoruba man, I get gritty for anything. But now welcome to the matter where they go, they read this now. That same boss we get 4 driver, 4 steering. And I know how they be. Unfortunately for us, our boss no come today because no fuel. I don't know whether I don't see fuel buy, but they will tell you now whether for their area or their area. My name is Eleno, and I am here with my very people that we always in the year. Yes. First to my right is MC Shaggy, aka the ancestress of Nigerian comedy. That's all.
Fuel no day.
And of course, the total one of Nigerian comedy, aka APC, that's the associate producer of the company.
Honestly spoken, you try not be like, I notice as camera just appear upon me, now people go to ask, what happen? Now so, change must happen.
Yes, it's changed.
New look, fine boy.
Finally, the comedian turned politician, hopefully without an office for now. Welcome the man known as a 5-star comedy general. Hopefully, he will be in office in 2032. MC.
Okay. But fuel no day, brother, petrol no day. No, I sing this song.
No.
If you see within fuel, because our area, say they mix kerosene with color. Same for person as fuel. Don't be small so kerosene, they can't dilute it with something, they can't mix it with color. Sell them as fuel. How much be 1 liter? 300 naira.
Wow. Wow.
They say for person put for inside motor.
Then a part of the chain, they promise us that.
And the person pay for the motor.
I don't know how they even go.
Take and wash hair. I ask questions. I really worry.
But seriously, this fuel issue is a very big issue. Because if you see the way they take the black market, they have the invest papers. You will see fuel for filling station. You no figure buy up.
Black market. Outside filling station.
Outside, just first from the filling station, we say, guy, black market. You will give the person money, you go there. Where you also to enter, you know if you enter since 3 days, you go come out, you go sell and give you. Now be the black market, so the thing is getting worse. and our uniform men get the very first way they enter.
No,
call the first uniform. Call the first name.
No. The very first.
The very first, they use their uniform. Police uniform no fit carry you enter there. Air Force no you go there. But to get the very first, when we say,
I know what.
No, the very first. Now you talk.
Now, viewers, you see who say they will just enter. You must say for them.
Yes, before. Manual. I don't manual to talk.
Manual. Now only the theaters and visa.
No. You think too much.
No, but this is the bad.
And if it's still here, which even surprise the part say fuel no day. No say normal as fuel no day. Cars will reduce for road. But now hold up got day. But
now they're down to the irony. How fuel no go there hold up full everywhere? What do now want to drive for the hold up? And you guys are filling station want to go, they know they sell for keg. But all the boys say they sell black market for outside with keg, they get fuel. So where they get the fuel?
That's why they don't see it in black market.
And they don't even they spoil people motor now. Some they miss some water. One of my friends buy 30 liters, 25 liters inside the water.
Wow, that means 5 liters of petrol.
Yes.
I just call it water petrol.
Water. Yes, change have come. That's it. But I don't know the way the thing they be for this house. This now the red. This now the bus we get for driver, but unfortunately no fuel for today. But we will still continue. You don't get that the matter be. If we no fuel to drive, we trek. That is why there's Twitter. And they read. We trek and follow you.
Trek for
the first matter where they see here, we say one woman get 2 husbands for inside the same house. How it happen? You can see the video on yourself.
This is the story of Jaya, her lover John, her son Eamon,
here's Dada,
and her other lover Ian, Eamon's dad. Here's how it started. Jaya has been in a committed relationship with John for years, but Jaya wanted to have a baby, and John didn't. Now stay with us here. So John suggested Jaya find another lover, and she did. Enter Ian. 3 years ago, Jaya and Ian conceived Eamon.
Hey, this one are the Yoruba version. Yoruba version. You don't hear the story now. Say the lady, you don't marry with your husband since for a very long time. You understand? When you come marry, small time, they not going to feel beer picking. So at the end of the day, he can't go because the husband can advise him to go bring another man. Where we call Peke wife so that he go born Peke. Now they two couple marry. Imagine take her to Yoruba or some other tribe where you marry wife, you don't feel born. The customer go marry another wife.
So now the woman now can't go marry another man.
And the woman be the head of the family.
The two of them can't they sleep for one bed.
Yes, you know what they take. You know say when you don't go carry if na Nigeria it happen go you go bring another man to go assist you.
Yes.
Now based on picking man maybe you come from work. As you enter, you know the hear one kind that guy dey on serious work with
serious work. Wait.
Hey, guy, easy now. Picking now say me call me. You call the hey. Hello, come. Easy. No be twins. One.
Because Shakara, to end the matter like that, as you realize easy. The guy in the work will come outside. I say, guy, now what will you say me?
Now
if I don't work out,
if I don't work out, they will say, they work out down and they complain. How the woman tell they call them two for house? Since all of them they stay in the same house. Say, honey or sis? The new honey.
But some kind things really happen only for Igbo land, though. Not happen for Africa.
At all.
Now, as a day now, my wife go dey middle. Me and one man go dey the same bed. I hear one English way they call her polyamory. Say polyamory. Now when one woman,
now only for English.
now when one woman sleep with two men for one bed, they live together. They eat, they drink, they go out, everything.
You see why I go to the mingle with people, you go to learn. You know what I'm saying? For marriage, now they call polyamory. Then if on another marry, if they do, it's called threesome.
Threesome.
So for marriage now you can't call it threesome.
Okay, so when I tell you when the polyamory now continued in this next story, where the woman married two husbands for 11 years and the two no.
Chavos.
So I don't know whether this should be on polyamory. On polyamory. Yes, let us see the news.
One woman married two husbands at the same time and they no know for good 11 years. The woman wey her name be Rosemary David get pikin for Onikpede about 11 years ago for Ondo State. Then they live as husband and wife. And she also hook up with another man for Delta State where she come from. She get two pikin for this Delta man, but she dey train the pikin dem for the Ondo man house unknowing to the Ondo man. Over the years, Rosemary dey perfectly juggle the two husbands for Ondo and Delta State. She dey shuffle Ondo and Delta like interstate transport driver. She go tell her Ondo husband say she dey go visit her auntie for Delta State, whereas she dey embark on a Kerewa mission of polyandry, woman wey marry two men. When kasala blow, she come pour her Ondo husband hot water to escape.
Wait.
Life is so short.
Now, don't blame the house woman. That is called sharpness. You know when you, as the word say, interstate Kerewa. You understand? Now woman then go feel. You know say men will not feel do this kind of thing. If na man, they go don't know. Because man, if you don't do now, your phone go don't ring. One thing could happen. But woman, you know say they say men will be like dog.
No, not all of us.
As in you men.
No, sir. I explain that to you now.
Okay,
men, you know say
you guys.
You know say if dog one piece, if dog they wakana, once a piece, hold like you always one leg. The shot go. But cat, women be like cat. You never see a cat the piece.
They hide the
no,
piece.
Cat they hide the piece. So now women life be that. Honor to get secrets.
Yes.
No, if you ask me, I think say this woman she's supposed to APP or People's Party. Is that APP or more? Can we call her a tourist? Yeah, she's a tourist. Now.
She's a tourist.
Yeah, she's
Which party they tour ever so?
She's top. Oh wow.
Meanwhile, the
That's our
men dog.
politician.
Meanwhile, the two men dog.
How they go marry two men for 11 years?
If I am one of them, I tell you, I'll know.
11 years.
I'm the only psychologist that didn't read psychology.
Tell us.
I read people as I did so I know what's in your mind. I know what's in because I know what's in your mind. You like this. If you go out, you go eat.
Oh my God.
In the fast today.
He don't really read like, he don't read like this are you. Oh, go eat before. He know where. But this woman strong go. We dey even complain say Oyibo then they do it Africa no fit do. This one do. That's what Africa do.
This is tourist marriage.
Seriously.
What is the name of that English again?
Polyamory.
This is a torialorist.
Torialorist.
This one different from Oyibo Ocha because you say this one she dey hide the one.
So na native one.
Yes.
This one na traditional.
Traditional polyamorist.
Traditional polyamory.
In another news, something else happened. Man will lose lot of money to Ross girl. You know?
Why you say that you go? Why you say that you didn't handle this?
Because I know whether na me they handle Ross girls matter. Leave and like that. Everybody must be a specialist in something.
Honestly,
You cannot just be useless, you know, there any way they. I am more watch the video first.
What kind of nonsense is this? You think it is easy to win B1.2 million?
Seriously. Why you be say when you don't hammer, the direction to go house, you know they know am. Why they always apply that to men? When money don't dey pocket, then they know house.
When I hammer
Money house spirit.
when I hammer my first hammer, I dey suspect anybody there around me. I no gree sleep now.
You get one skit where I do. Yeah. You see this kind of thing, you get money where you go hammer. When you carry money, you carry girl on a day hotel like this. No bother yourself because some girls will drug you or something, if you happen, they'll carry your money wrong. You see, lock the door, the key, put her inside the girl bag. I thought she go find key 4 years.
Yeah.
You see, I know why now you better give on this
You
story.
go get this kind of story.
You see in life, if you want to be useless, usefully.
More good personal.
No. We need to take this matter personally.
Seriously.
You know what?
You go not before when I work before.
Why you not hide that key?
For your shoe.
All on our phone they lost.
Wow.
Now it's personal. Jesus.
Yes.
That's a story for another day.
See, don't bring personal this thing. Let's talk on serious issues. Like that story now.
No,
it's
listen to
serious.
personality.
Because we know
about
Okon as a comedian, and from movie set we get that story to Totori, our viewers.
But now wetin dey happen na you go still display there.
Display am for film. But man, I tell on a true life story. This one no be inside film now. True life story. We happen. Man, no man, housewife we kill her husband because of lotto money again. Baba Ijebu, na be on lotto na.
They brand the name.
They branded
the native name.
Na native one be that. Baba Ijebu. English.
But their money na English money.
English money, native lotto.
More confirm the story very well before we do anything.
One housewife Onyechi Akume don stab her husband because of Baba Ijebu Lotto. The husband lose better money for Baba Ijebu game wey im play 2 short 3 direct palming and pam. The thing come make am dey carry face dey vex like say na person send a message. E come dey take the annoyance dey face im wife. Na the wife come jokingly talk say instead of you to win Baba Ijebu, na Baba Ijebu win you, yeah man. Na the husband give her heavy blow for face, come begin beat her mercilessly. She need to defend herself. Na she take the knife wey she dey use cut okra, come move am from her hand to her husband chest. Na the knife move enter the husband chest, come remove the husband spirit. Na be say the husband die.
Where the husband spirit
dramatic die.
Where the husband spirit
Okay, let me apologize for telling you guys that she killed her husband. Because from the story now, we have said the knife moved from her hand to the husband's chest. So now the knife Na him kill the husband.
Not the woman.
No, be the woman.
So now the okra actually.
The okra just move.
But people here say no say she killed the husband. She removed the husband's spirit. that the news story. Let me say she killed the husband. She's not a murderer. She just replaced the spirit from the original point of state.
To the place of destination.
Meanwhile, she will go to jail for allowing the knife move out of her hand.
Yes. Why you don't hold her knife?
Next time, why you don't control
your knife? Why?
As she dey hold the knife they move. She dey try come back, the knife they move.
So anybody where they plan to the cut okra, make knife move for your hand. You know you will still go to jail for people that kill.
Yes,
and
especially
spend the rest of your life.
But you see what tip about Jebu they do.
Seriously, you see.
You don't go that area for Ojuelegba, where you see where people they forecast. I don't see where 5 Agbere hold Christmas for ground. Hold on.
Give me too short.
Give me too short. You don't mad. Give me. The Christmas they're like, me Monko.
But this Baba Ijebu, why is it everything? You know, say this boxing, Manny Pacquiao and Mayweather. You know, say they put them for sport bet.
Yes,
people they bet on that. People will bet. All those Yoruba boys they will bet. Say Mayweather go when fight start. John, no. Then they speak to him. I bet blood for me to go.
My guy, if you did that place, where to watch the match, the fight, the conversation where they there, pass the fight. I say one Yoruba guy didn't name because no, close it, full as when Parkway. I mean, Parkway. They blow up. One pass, go give a pass. Over. Full as the guy must blow my eye.
Yeah, the guy must blow. Yeah, they blow somebody now.
Yeah, when we Parkway quickly go to the break. When we come back, we'll continue with the running around. That's the new Mayweather dance. Yes, don't go nowhere. We is coming. Yes, we are coming. Well, now welcome back, my people. This is now still that bus what we call I the Red. We get 4 steering, 4 driver, but no petrol. So we are checking today like Twitter. Yes. Don't forget, say our Twitter handle at I the Red. And also, if you join us for email, send your comments and come. We thank all those people who don't send us email. We see on our email and we take up. We see they get on our news. But what you want more could help us do? We say if we send on a news story come, but could tell us where we take get the news story, which newspaper, which news house. If not for television, we tell us which station. We could not just send news come say 2 people talk. We know they talk those kind of news for here.
I'll send on a gossip come.
Send and come give us for our email. Will be IDRed at Wazobia TV.tv. So going back to the Pacquiao and Mayweather fight. So who you think say win that fight?
Now to me, I not be boxer, I not be professional boxer. But if they can't call the layman angle, now Parkway and I blow out.
Parkway.
Who you think say win?
Well, by analysis and by the look what I look, Parkway throw many move and blow, but all the blow, no one they touch this guy face where and a point then they can't. So Mayweather get point. Mayweather win.
Me, get one thing will happen for that fight where I don't realize it. Not every saying correct again. For we get one saying we say he will fight and run away, live to fight another day. But my brother, of course, this fight now say he will fight and run away. Wins the fight.
Because Mayweather was just running. He was running up and down.
Mayweather is a calculated fighter.
It's not a calculated fighter. See, the next opponents where go fight. Since he started the last fight go fight, make the best be Usain Bolt. Because I feel that the only person who feel run out with that.
Okay. If Mayweather been the run, why the Pacquiao no pursue one?
He follow
shots now.
Now, you see, guys, you know say Mayweather say he won't be like Muhammad Ali. And Muhammad Ali now so in the move. And remember Muhammad Ali if they threat to go say I'll make medicine sick. I'll make rock.
No, but for me, when so I talk that is self-investment, I go compare say Muhammad Ali na heavyweight champion, and he na weatherweight.
He go soon become heavyweight now.
He dey resign for Monica leave me, no dey talk my ear. What's wrong with you? Now weatherweight he fight.
This boss don't dey fight on me.
I'ma leave this boss to make Chagrano blow person. You know say he get some kind football.
You get why we take Monica eye for this office one day.
Okay. Wait, guys. Mark was said to this matter because Blay say una one fight. More carry this fight go another place. He don't see say if you play some kind football, you get some kind goal where person go score. If you fight this fight, all they talk so. I tell you, I remember see what team Messi do Boateng for Barca Bayern Munich. They will cause him matter talk when Messi and Mikel be mate.
Oh God.
Play us that team.
Barcelona to inflict further damage on them. Here's Rakitic. The game deserved a goal. Yeah. And I guess it deserved that goal scorer. And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. Oh. It's absolutely world class. It off. Incredible.
To do that, I mean, he puts Boateng in a terrible place on his backside, and to dink Manuel Neuer, who stands tall, as you'd expect.
If two men fight, they will settle. They will call themselves settle.
Yes, now.
Them say go come
National embarrassment.
This is international disgrace.
But what you want to see for this particular to Messi do so, now this kind of highlight could last for 1 year.
One decade.
This kind of highlight, even though they read news, they go one play as highlight. Say, boss, wait here for you.
No, I agree. Say
Messi guy.
He passed Ronaldo.
Mercilessly, and so
He's a merciless
World
player.
Bank Conte tell us, Elenu.
Wait first. Before you jump go World Bank. If Messi do this kind of wickedness, I will not say Messi and Mikel and they start this team together. People they say Mikel need to score, Mikel need to score. I want to know say Mikel they score as Messi they score. If not like most see this go when Mikel score.
For where Mikel score to go?
See this go when Mikel score.
If they ask me, I feel say Mikel doesn't want to play, but when they want to PSP. Since he won't go, I said does win the score.
If Messi can score go on the field, Mikel can score go for dining table. Oh, now go there score.
Go now.
Oh my God, there is trouble. There is trouble in this country. There is trouble, my brother. Let's be serious. There is trouble. If World Bank, where did they keep money? Come calculate, see where money they come calculate, see 800 million of people. They hungry.
And say bank they empty.
Now you say the whole world trouble day.
800 million.
800 million.
The whole World Bank by
The
themselves.
World Bank by themselves.
And then they should do something now. They should print more money.
More go the story. More
I'm
the
going
story.
to get account for World Bank.
Hey.
Million people they go to bed hungry. World Bank don't come out come here and say 800 million people they go to bed hungry every night. Say they know they see food chop, then they sleep with empty belly, they wake up with empty belly. So countries where hunger and poverty don't tie like a wrapper with padlock, better wake up to build better food system to raise agricultural productivity. In order to tackle hunger, World Bank don't carry one agenda and come out. Then title am Ending Poverty and Hunger by the year 2030.
But
By the year
This thing is
2030.
very simple. It just be like person wey get bakery for one street. We can't notice say everybody for that street know they see bread chop, and you are refusing to bake enough bread. What bank freeze money,
release the money for
us.
Not to freeze
Why
money.
we go wait till 2030? What
I
happened to those 800 people that they chop?
They don't die, they say.
Before 2030, they never die. You are heartless.
Shaggy, I miss one man.
Abacha.
Who be that?
Oh,
Sani
Abacha.
Abacha. Oh, rest in peace.
mind is-
Abacha, during Abacha, if Abacha go Central Bank, he goes there, hey, friend for me.
Just
And then friend for yourself. One. Friend for me. And then friend for yourself.
See this, you know, say this
my
Abacha man.
say-
This Abacha man, shey you know say in to say money side bank. And yes, Abacha get tank for him back.
If na that
So
one
now
work.
in World Bank, the money not feel lost.
Well, thank God say Bele no be show glass. If not, by now, the number of the 800 people when World Bank can't for pass like that.
I did like to hear that one.
Thank God say Bele no be
Some
show
people never
glass.
chop today.
If not, me no say the hungry self a fed rabbit.
So that means they no count and complete. They're not counting.
Inhabitants of the Japanese island of Okunoshima, now known as Rabbit Island. And you can see why. It's overrun with the hippity-hoppity creatures. This tourist came to feed the hungry thumpers, and they chased her down the street. During World War II, the island was used by the Japanese as a testing site for poisonous gas.
So to feed rabbit now, be the problem. Now they begin pursue the woman.
Oh boy.
Now the hunger was in the talk.
Hungry is too much now.
I mean, say World Bank miss their calculation. But the number of rabbits we see for inside that video just now, they reach 42 billion.
Seriously, in those days, rabbit not be bush, they see there. But now they get some rabbit when they
for village with the fire rabbit, we see the hole, we come put fire.
Put fire.
We come go the other
side. That one a bush rabbit. No, see this kind of rabbit. That one
now they come out.
Rabbit should be bush rabbit.
But the way this rabbit they take out one another, now it surprised me. Nothing that one day we do one before. I give a just say drop and the next Unduka, show.
Communication age.
Oh boy. See, you might begin run.
She will depend on full day. See, I'm not with one bank. There's food. I'm with one bank.
This is just remind me House of Assembly.
See, when I say this rabbit, not for village, neither they hunt all those rabbits. Not one boy from city. He never go village before. Now go village. In France, say that they go hunt rabbit. He say, "Can I come with you?" They say, "Okay, come." Then I got like say, "Okay, you will never do anything. Stay for where this small hole in case you see a run past." So he can stand there. He never know what they hunt. The rabbit run past. He they look at him pass. So later, they say, "Why do they find it?" I call you didn't see anything. Say. That thing one that they find, he get there. He get there. He don't go pass here now.
The question is, where did you got there for? About this say they talk I get experience. But I want experience. You know, say anytime we see that hole, we gonna say a rabbit hole. And if you get hole, like some miles away, now go be escape route. We can't find the escape route. We can't pop smoke for this hole, so that may run out. You know they run out. Now my cousin for village can say, this is no one run out, making shook hand. I say shook hand because this rabbit swell up, why this rabbit be like this? Oh boy, ask me to this guy they touch. Correct big python. You know, say that time, most times snake they hide for that hole. Yes. But at the guy say this as if they come out and they follow him. Oh boy, this guy bring her come I want tie raise. We run, so they run what we run. The snake say come out for the guy and take off.
Okay, this one I want to make us take off now.
Take off from the studio. We'll take off from the studio.
Shakara the tribe say, but don't forget to send on a tweet coming to us for social media. For social
Allah.